Today we'll start with super profit method. In super profit method, the value of goodwill is found as super profit into number of years purchase. Super profit is calculated as average profit minus normal profit, and normal profit is calculated as capital employed into rate of return. Now, how to find capital employed is total assets minus outside liabilities or partners capital plus reserve fund. So these are the formulas with super profit method that I have already explained it to you. Now we'll solve a sum there. The first question number 21, will be solving. Average profit earned by a firm is rupees 80,000, which includes undervaluation of stock of rupees 8,000. Means with 80,000 average profit, every year there is a stock 8,000 which is undervalued on an average basis. The capital invested in the business is rupees 8 lakh. The capital employed is 8 lakh, and the normal rate of return is 8%. Calculate the goodwill on the basis. Calculate the goodwill of the firm on the basis of 7 times the super profit. So this is 7 years purchase of super profit. Now, how to solve the sum is average profit 80,000, undervaluation of stock 8,000. So we'll find the correct average profit. Correct average profit will be 80,000 minus plus 8,000, because when stock is undervalued, profit is also undervalued. So we'll find out the correct profit, that is 88,000. 80,000 plus 8,000. Now, normal profit NP is calculated as C into ROR, capital employed into rate of return, that is 8 lakh into 8%, 64,000. Average profit is 88,000, normal profit 64,000. So super profit will be average profit minus normal profit, 88,000 minus 64,000, that is 24,000. Now when we got 24,000 super profit, value of goodwill will be super profit into number of years purchase. So 24,000 into 7, that is 1,68,000 is the value of goodwill. I think this is very simple to understand and there should be no problem with this. I am showing you the solution once more. Check this solution, and this was the question number 21. Next we will be solving question number 27. You can check here. A partnership firm earned net profit during the past 3 years as follows. 3 years profit are given. We can find out the average profit very easily. Next, capital investment in the firm throughout the above mentioned period has been 4 lakh. 4 lakh is the capital employed. Having regard to the risk involved, 15% is considered to be a fair return on the capital. So rate of return is also given. The remuneration of the partners during this period is estimated to be rupees 1 lakh per annum. So we need to pay remuneration to the partners at the rate of rupees 1 lakh per annum. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of average super profit earned during the above mentioned 3 years. So this is the question. Let's check the solution. First of all, we'll find the average profit. 2 lakh 30 plus 2 lakh plus 1 lakh 70 divided by 3 there, because there are 3 years, will give you 6 lakh divided by 3, 2 lakh. 2 lakh is the average profit. Now we'll again find the correct average profit. Correct average profit will be average profit minus remuneration of the partners. Average profit is 2 lakh and remuneration, as we have seen in the question, was 1 lakh. So we'll subtract 1 lakh from there. So the average profit what we got, correct average profit is rupees 1 lakh. Now capital employed was given 4 lakh, rate of return 15%. So 4 lakh into 15% will get the normal profit, that is 60,000. So we got 60,000 as our normal profit. Now super profit is average profit minus normal profit. So 1 lakh minus 60,000. 1 lakh was our correct average profit and normal profit was 60,000. So 1 lakh minus 60,000 is 40,000, that is our super profit. And value of goodwill is found as super profit into number of years purchase, that is 40,000 into 2, because 2 is the number of years purchase, that will be 80,000, the value of goodwill in this question. In this way, question number 27 also we have done. I will show you one more question, that is question number 28. Please check it. Here the balance sheet of the firm is given. We will read the question. Ideal marketing earned an average profit of rupees 4 lakh during the last 5 years. Normal rate of return on capital employed is 10%. Average profit is 4 lakh. Rate of return is 10%. Balance sheet of the firm as at 31st March 2019 was follows. Balance sheet is given. Thereafter we need to calculate the value of goodwill if it is valued at 3 years purchase of super profits. So why do they use a balance sheet, you might be thinking. Through this balance sheet we need to find out the capital employed. Capital employed was total assets minus outside liabilities. So total asset we can find out directly, the total is given here of the asset side. But here one item is the investment. Investment means non-trade investment. This is not the amount that is invested in our business. Investment means money that is put in other business. So this amount should be taken out from there. So investment is rupees 1 lakh. So out of the total assets 23 lakh, we will subtract the investment first. So I will show you the solution here. Average profit is given 4 lakh, rate of return 10%. Capital employed is total asset minus outside liabilities. So from 23 lakh, I have subtracted 1 lakh of investment. Next is, this is total asset 23 lakh minus 1 lakh. Now outside liabilities. Outside liabilities is, we have to check in the liability side. What is the outside liability? Capital account and current account. These are the balances of the partners. So this is not outside liability. Outside liability is sundry creditors, bills payable and outstanding expenses. Sundry creditors 4 lakh, sundry creditors 4 lakh, bills payable 1 lakh and outstanding expenses 60,000. 4 lakh plus 1 lakh 5 lakh and 60,000 5 lakh 60,000. These three are the outside liabilities. So this three will add, that is 4 lakh plus 1 lakh 5 lakh and 60,000 5 lakh 60,000 is our outside liabilities. So this 5 lakh 60,000 will subtract from there. Capital employed 23 minus 1 22 lakh minus 5 lakh 60,000 will give us 16 lakh 40,000. So capital employed what we got is rupees 16 lakh 40,000. Now normal profit is capital employed into rate of return. Capital employed we already got 16 lakh 40,000. The rate of return was 10%. So we'll use 10% here. We'll get rupees 1 lakh 64,000. So 1 lakh 64,000 is our normal profit. Now super profit is average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is rupees 4 lakh and normal profit 1 lakh 64,000. Average profit was already given in the question 4 lakh. Normal profit we have just found 1 lakh 64,000. So the super profit is rupees 2 lakh 36,000. Now value of goodwill is super profit into number of years purchase. Super profit is 2 lakh 36,000. Number of years purchase is 3. When we multiply it, you will get 7 lakh 8,000. That is the value of goodwill. In this way, I think you can solve the questions of super profit method. I'll provide you a few questions to solve, that you will solve and send me the solution personally on WhatsApp as soon as possible. In the next video, we'll see capitalization method, and that will be the end of the chapter. Till then, thank you very much and bye.